That's all I can do is laugh. Like, this is insane. I don't remember getting this much snow before. Like, with how thick it is right now, at least not driving in it. Like, I know we've had some thick snow, but... And yeah, I want to unplug that thing, turn off my traction control, and go play in it. Yeah. It was thick. There were some big old snowflakes falling. Like, I went to wear my hat, and I was like, my hat's gonna be soaking wet. There's so much snow on it. Get over on the other side of the road, buddy. There you go.